On today's episode of Guru Tips for Actors, we're going to talk about how to plan for your own priorities so that you're not knocked off track. Lots of actors fall into the trap of thinking that they can't have a plan. They think that because our jobs are unpredictable and our audition schedule is unpredictable, that we kind of have to be at the mercy of other people's schedules. But in reality, this is complete BS, and it will keep you stuck spending your time on other people's priorities. So yes, as an actor, it's important to be flexible, but it's also important to have a framework to come back to. In our membership, we have a specific method for weekly, monthly, and quarterly planning that allows you to have a specific idea of what you're working toward, but also take care of unexpected events that happen along the way, like last-minute self-tapes, or bookings, or circumstances changing because of a global pandemic. So, step one is to get clear on what your priorities are. And I'm not talking about your agent's priorities. I'm not talking about what your acting teacher told you to do. And I'm not talking about something a casting director told you to do in an Instagram Live. I'm talking about what you want, your own vision for your life and career. So write that down, and that's what you're going to work toward.